Thanks for joining us today and for this very first ever virtual Welding Industry Day. Some of you might already be familiar with the CWB Welding Foundation. We are, as Dan mentioned, a registered charity that supports the Canadian welding industry by increasing public safety awareness of careers in the trades, and addressing the welding skilled trade shortage and mismatch in Canada. We do this primarily by enabling education-based programming that not only attracts young people, but reskills people from across Canada in the skilled trades, welding specifically, and even more recently into micro-credentialing programs that support our industries in their welding needs. We're very, very proud of the way that we can help support pathways to employment for people of all ages across all demographics and in the lesser advantaged communities across Canada. Our programs support welding education, as I said, across Canada, which in turn helps companies like yours access the skilled welding workforce that you need to be and stay competitive. We believe it all starts by sparking a young person's interest in welding. Our flagship Mind Over Metal camp experiences were designed and do just that. They give students aged 12 to 17 the chance to learn about welding and inspire them to pursue it further. Our camps also help to educate parents and guardians and teachers and guidance teachers and health and safety officers in our schools across Canada to the possibilities that exist in welding and the skilled trades. So I'd like to share with you a short video of one of our recent Mind Over Metal camps held in Orangeville, Ontario in early 2019. Will no doubt recall or be aware have been put on hold this past year due to COVID-19, but we're looking forward to getting them started again when the times allow. So without further ado, the video.
Targeted for youth aged 12 to 15, Mind Over Metal camps are changing the perceptions of youth and their parents about welding and careers in welding. Hands-on learning at these camps is building confidence and self-esteem and giving many youth a reason for continuing on to secondary and post-secondary education. Welding has captured their attention and is giving them a focus for their future.
The main thing is to have fun here, learning a little bit of welding. Welding is so huge. They're all just getting a taste. So if they come out of here having interest of welding and then having fun at the same time is my dream.
So students are learning a lot of hands-on skills with how to do some of the basics of welding and then how to design a project and kind of implement it and make it. They're learning the skills of how to use some of the different machines and doing MIG welding and stick welding.
I thought welding would be interesting, so I decided to sign up so I can learn it. I thought it looked interesting and I wanted to try something new.
The Mind Over Metal camp allows the students to demonstrate creativity and self-expression, and they take pride in their finished project.
The favorite part has probably been the log project we did. I loved when I brought it home, my parents were proud that I made it.
The Mind Over Metal camp is a fantastic opportunity for young kids, usually from grade 7 to grade 9, to come into our program, into our school, into other schools, and learn about welding, learning about careers that they can go forward into after high school, and really just getting a taste of welding.
This course for sure gets the students ready to look at a welding career. We talk about a few different options that students can do, but even if they maybe have no idea what they want to do at this point, it at least kind of has them start something to maybe spark an interest that would kind of build later.
We used to go to this camp and I had an awesome time. Yeah.
I do think the campers are enjoying the program. They're coming in and they're excited to start, and they're always smiling.
The Mind Over Metal Camp is a fantastic opportunity. The kids come in and they're raring to go. They do a great job and learn about welding.
So this is just one example of the impact that our programs are having on young people and of how inspired and excited they get once they give welding a try. We're very, very thankful for all of the companies that support the foundation and programs like our Mind Over Metal camps. And I personally love hearing stories about just how excited people of all ages get about welding when they go to one of our camps or programs. It's so rewarding to know that we've played a part in opening their eyes to a truly great career path and skills and to their own potential. The partners that we work with in industry and across educational school boards in secondary and post-secondary primarily also appreciate what we do to spark that interest in welding. So we're very, very thankful for the work that we do with companies across Canada, companies just like yours, to understand what your workforce needs are in the year to come and to develop programs that are targeted to address those needs. We also do rely on donations and contributions from companies like yours to make it all possible. So I encourage you to drop by our virtual booth at today's event or visit our website at cwbweldingfoundation.org or check out the stories of our impact in Weld magazine. And I look forward to hearing from you how we might work with you even more closely to spark the welding workforce of the future. Thank you, everyone. Have a great rest of the day at the conference.
Well, thank you, Susan, and congratulations on outstanding accomplishment so far. And I'm sure there's more to come from our foundation. And we're very, very proud of all the accomplishment that the foundation has done so far, and our schools really are benefiting all across the country. We will start our next segment and our next break in 6 minutes. So we have a bit of a break for now, and we will see you at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. Thank you.
Thanks, Dan.
Thank you.